Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2021 video tutorial. It's the last one in this series. It's that Gelenk exercise in Autocad, and again the shell command doesn't support different thicknesses, so I went the conventional way. Now let's have fun with Autocad. Okay, let's take a top view like that, and I want to use a polyline. Go to home, go to polyline. I will start at -15 column 0. Go in that direction and the length would be 80. Then go up 10. Then go in this direction 40. Then go up another 10. In that direction. And then 25. Then go in this direction 24. Let's go down, and that would be 39. In this direction, snap onto that, trace, and close. Okay. Let's make an extrude with that polyline. Right click, enter, and make it 50. That's okay. Now put this onto a different layer, maybe on this one, and I want to move it in that direction, so go here and move it 25 in that direction, so it's centered. Next I need a cylinder. And the center of the cylinder, so I can go for a different layer of that cylinder, would be at 0 column 45. The radius would be 15, and the height would be 50. And again, move this 25 in that direction, like that. And now make a union. Okay. Now I have to rotate around the y-axis, so go here, go there, rotate around the y-axis by the default value of 90 degrees. Let's go for a top view and hide that solid, so go for hide objects and hide that solid. Now I need a rectangle on my sketches layer, and I want to have a rectangle which starts at -15 column 0, so that's at -15 column 0, and it should be 30 by 3, so 30 column 3, enter. I will need another rectangle which should start at -18 column 60, and this should go 36 by 36 column minus 35. Looks okay, so let's bring back those hidden objects. Yeah, seems okay. Now I want to make extrudes, so let's hide it again. And make an extrude with different layers. I'll go for this one. Make an extrude with that sketch here. Right click, enter, and make it 80 or 100, or 80 should do, of course, 80. And move it in that direction, maybe like this. You can do it just like that. Then another extrude, now with this one. Right click, enter, and this might be 150. And again move it so it will cut through the complete solid. Maybe like this. That should do. Nope. It snapped onto a point. So yeah, you have to control right click and none, then it's possible to place it like this. Now bring back that hidden solid and subtract those orange ones from the blue one. So go to subtract, select the blue one, right click, select the two orange ones. Nice. Now I could hide those sketches because I don't need them anymore. I need a fillet or round, so go for solid, go for fillet edge. Radius would be 25, and I want to fillet this one, and of course that one. Enter, enter. Now for the holes. Let's take a look. And yeah, I could do this one because my axis system looks in that direction. So go for a cylinder. And the center point would be, of course, the midpoint of that edge. So go for midpoint and try to select here. Yes. Let's see where the cylinder will go. That's wrong. So it's perpendicular to that one. So I should rotate this one around which axis? Or I could first go for that cylinder here. Okay, so go for a cylinder and select the center of that edge here, and radius would be 6.5, and it should go in that direction, maybe like this. The value doesn't really matter. And now I could subtract this one from the blue one. Right click, select right click. Nice. Now let's switch this back to the world coordinate system. And let's take a look where the next cylinder will go. If I go there, it will, I think, Yeah, that's the right direction. That's okay. And the radius would be 7. Let's make it 80. Okay. Now move it in that direction and try not to snap on something. That's okay. And now subtract this one. Subtract from the blue one. Right click this one. Right click. Great. And now I need that cylinder here. So go for cylinder and select, right click the midpoint, and that might cause again some troubles. If I go here, yeah, again that's not the correct orientation, but it doesn't really matter. I will turn it. So let's go for 10 millimeter radius, and it should be 10 in that direction. Now let's rotate this around that axis. That would be the idea. So let's see if we can rotate it with a command. Go for home. There should be some sort of 3D rotate. Okay. This would be the solid. Right click, and the base point would be, of course, that midpoint here. So go for the midpoint of that edge here. Okay. And now I have to rotate it around this axis, and that would be 90 or minus 90 degree. So let's see, let's go for, I would say it's 90 degrees. Maybe I'm wrong. Sort of. But I could now move it in that direction by 10 millimeters, and now I can subtract. So go for another subtract from this one, right click that one, enter, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you did like it. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please leave a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.